You feel it before you see it. That strange tension when you walk into a room, the smile that doesn't quite reach their eyes. We are taught that friends are supposed to be our biggest cheerleaders. But in the world of dark psychology, there is a silent killer of relationships: envy. It's not just jealousy. Jealousy says, I want what you have. Envy says, I don't want you to have it. Here is how to spot the difference before they sabotage you. When your success highlights their insecurity, it triggers a pain response in their brain. Instead of working on themselves, a toxic person tries to resolve this pain by pulling you down. It's a defense mechanism for their fragile ego. They never just say congratulations. They say things like, wow, you got the job. They must be desperate for people right now. They wrap an insult inside praise, so if you get mad, you look like the crazy one. Watch who goes quiet when you win. Strangers will applaud you louder than a jealous friend. If they change the subject immediately after you share good news, that is not ADHD. That is envy. They give you advice designed to make you doubt yourself. They ask things like, are you sure you can handle that promotion? You look so tired lately. They disguise sabotage as care. So what do? You cannot fix them. Instead, you must use the gray rock method. Be as boring as a gray rock. Stop sharing your wins. Stop sharing your dreams. Give them nothing to feed on. When you stop reacting, they lose their power. Protect your energy. Your success is none of their business. If you recognized someone in this video, it's time to distance yourself. Subscribe for more insights into human nature.